Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a rounded triangle in Photoshop step by step. Let's begin. Create a new layer, polygon tool, sides 3, use method on, smooth corner stars, press enter. Then draw, create a triangle. And method 2 again, click anywhere, use same height, weight, example use 200 pixels, click OK and press hold Ctrl T, hold Shift, resize, right click on your mouse, rotate 19 degree, OK, change the color, double click and change the color, that's it. Press Ctrl T, rotate anywhere, hold Shift, resize. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.